I am a libertarian men's rights activist who wants to talk about Anna Kasparian.
I think you're lying.
Yeah, no shit. So, in order to not...
My heart sunk.
I don't know, So, I wanted to talk about this issue in the federal judge who's blocking the PrEP and the preventative care.
Yes.
Is blocking the. Oh yeah. Okay.
PrEP, the prophylactic HIV drug for which is a major medical breakthrough and very important, particularly for the gay community.
Give me your name and where you're calling from.
I'll go by Nick from Illinois.
Okay, Nick from Illinois. Go ahead.
So outside of the moral issues that, it's just a really stupid decision. I work in health insurance, and when you're an employer, you have the first question they ask you is, which kind of policy do you want? And that is a fully insured or a self-funded policy. For the fully insured, you basically go to the health insurance company and they're like, hey, these are the federal regulations and these state regulations that you have to follow. You can't really deviate from that. Insurance company takes all the risk, and that's that. For a self-funded plan, such as Starbucks has one, they cover trans healthcare. Other companies like Boeing, American Airlines have big ones to cover certain things like infertility that aren't covered on a state-to-state basis. But you pay the entire thing, and you can make your own rules. So the ACA says, hey, you have to have a colonoscopy. You have to cover a colonoscopy. A self-funded plan go, yeah, we'll cover a colonoscopy, but it's once every 10 years, and it's only eligible when you're 45, and that's to follow these rules. So they basically just get around that. The thing I do not understand is that I don't know how this case has any standing, because you can take a self-funded plan and go, okay, we're not covering PrEP. We're not going to cover certain preventative services. So I don't know how this doesn't immediately get struck down, other than that judge being just a huge bigot.
Well, that judge is a huge bigot. That guy is, Reed O'Connor has been responsible for all, that's why they go to him.
Mm-hmm.
He's been responsible for all the ACA rulings, and they go and venue shop. I think this is the Fifth Circuit, and it is, he is like the worst of the Fifth Circuit.
Yeah, I just don't understand how it's not immediately the Supreme Court should just dismiss it and be like, yeah, you can't do this. This is insane.
Because your point is that
the fact that it got that far in the first place is absolutely insane.
The point being that you have the opportunity to self-insure, and you're not necessarily obligated to be bound by these rules.
Yeah, you want to not cover PrEP? Cool. Pay for your employee's entire premium then. Don't put it on the insurance company. You pay everything if you want to, be a dick and not cover stupid stuff. Stuff
right, but they have a blueprint for this with Hobby Lobby. That's the point. I mean, they see this as an opportunity for big. I mean, first of all, Stephen Miller is backing the group that's doing this legal challenge. So as you the roots of this are incredibly bigoted and right wing, as you know, but. They're also planning this blueprint of going through the Fifth Circuit to the Supreme Court works well for these conservatives. They want to undercut Obamacare in any way they can, and if it also harms gay people in the process, that's perfect for them. This guy's a Texas judge. That means the appeal's gonna get heard by the Fifth Circuit. They'll probably uphold it, and then it goes to the right wing Supreme Court.